Get ready for the biggest stories hitting your screen right now. We start with massive biotech investment news. The Samsung Life Science Fund is stepping up its game by announcing a major investment in Cartography Biosciences, a U.S. biotech company laser-focused on tumor-specific antigen discovery. This venture fund, jointly capitalized by Samsung C&T, Samsung Biologics, and Samsung Bioepiz, is looking to secure the future growth engines of the global biotech landscape. We dive into how Cartography Biosciences is using proprietary single-cell genomic data and advanced bioinformatics to pinpoint antigens, including their lead candidate CBI-1214, which is already in early clinical trials for colorectal cancer. Find out why Samsung sees this partnership as key to transforming the treatment paradigm in oncology.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to hold it with one hand? The PopSocket's Pop Grip gives you a secure grip, works as a phone stand, and even lets you swap the top for a fresh new look. Simple, useful, and perfect for everyday phone use. Click the link in the comments to grab yours on Amazon.
Next up, we are talking about a massive leap in mobile connectivity. Samsung has just validated a huge breakthrough in fixed wireless access technology by successfully proving 5G Power Class 1 capability through its virtualized RAN and the Qualcomm Dragonwing FWA Gen 4 platform. This development is a game-changer for connectivity, promising to deliver fiber-like uplink speeds and significantly expand network coverage. We explore the technical details, showing up to 10 times higher uplink throughput at the cell edge and a 40% expansion in coverage range, paving the way for smoother video calls and faster uploads everywhere. Now, let's shift gears to the world of immersive displays. Samsung is expanding its award-winning Spatial Signage lineup with a global launch of the new 32-inch model. This compact format brings the revolutionary glasses-free 3D experience to shelves, counters, and compact spaces where close-up visibility is everything. We look at how this model uses patented 3D plate technology to deliver cinematic depth, alongside new updates to the Samsung VXD platform, including AI Studio, which lets users create signage-ready videos from a single product image. This is how Samsung is building a connected commercial display ecosystem. And finally, we have a life-saving technology breakthrough straight from your wrist. Samsung has turned the Galaxy Watch into a fainting detector, validating that the Galaxy Watch6 can predict vasovagal syncope up to 5 minutes before it happens with 84.6% accuracy. This is the first time a commercial smartwatch has demonstrated clinically validated early warning for fainting episodes, potentially preventing thousands of injuries. Don't miss this essential story on preventive care. Stay tuned right now for the full breakdown. Samsung Life Science Fund has announced a significant investment in Cartography Biosciences, a U.S. biotechnology firm specializing in tumor-specific antigen discovery. The fund, jointly capitalized by Samsung C&T, Samsung Biologics, and Samsung Bioepiz, and managed by Samsung Venture Investment, targets innovative global biotech companies to secure future growth engines. Cartography Biosciences utilizes a proprietary platform technology that integrates single-cell genomic data with advanced bioinformatics to pinpoint antigens. The company employs its in-house Atlas and Summit platforms to identify tumor-specific antigens and combinations, which facilitates the design of antibody therapies with enhanced targeting precision. A key asset in their pipeline is CBI-1214, a T-cell engager aimed at colorectal cancer, which commenced Phase 1 clinical trials in early 2026 and is currently enrolling patients. Samsung intends to leverage this investment to bolster a foundation for global collaboration with Cartography Biosciences. This partnership aims to capitalize on the U.S. firm's expertise in genomic data-based antigen discovery and drug development to advance promising technologies in the next-generation oncology sector. Hyunam Jeong, Executive Vice President and head of the Bio R&D Center at Samsung Biologics, emphasized the strategic importance of the investment, stating that Cartography is a next-generation biotech innovator that combines single-cell genomic data by cancer type with bioinformatics in a way that can transform the treatment paradigm. Kevin Parker, co-founder and CEO of Cartography Biosciences, welcomed the partnership, calling Samsung the ideal partner, aligned with the company's mission of developing differentiated therapies through precise tumor biology analysis. Samsung and Qualcomm Technologies, Inc. have achieved a significant breakthrough in fixed wireless access (FWA) technology by validating 5G Power Class 1 (PC1) capability integrated with virtualized RAN (VRAN), and the Qualcomm Dragonwing FWA Gen 4 platform featuring the Qualcomm X85 modem RF chipset. This development underscores the joint commitment to enhancing FWA performance and coverage for more seamless connectivity in both congested urban areas and remote locations. The PC class standard dictates a device's transmission strength, with lower class numbers indicating higher output power. As data-intensive services like physical AI, autonomous systems, and AR/VR surge, PC1 is crucial for delivering fiber-like uplink speeds, mitigating bottlenecks, and supporting next-generation AI services. In laboratory tests conducted at Samsung's R&D facility, utilizing its software-driven VRAN solution, 7 GHz massive MIMO radios, and the Qualcomm X85 chipset, the PC1 implementation demonstrated remarkable results. Key findings include up to a 10-fold enhancement in uplink throughput at the cell edge compared to the PC1 standard. For end users, this translates to smoother video calls and faster file uploads in weak signal areas. Furthermore, PC1 technology is capable of expanding coverage range by up to 40% more than PC1, ensuring stronger signals across a wider geographical area. Building on these successful lab validations, the partnership has progressed to field tests on a U.S. Tier 1 operators network. Commercial availability for this feature is anticipated in 2027. Samsung Networks has established itself as a leader in delivering end-to-end 5G solutions, encompassing chipsets, radios, and cores. Through continuous innovation in purpose-built RAN, VRAN, Open RAN, AI RAN, and cloud-native core technologies, Samsung is positioning itself to drive the evolution of 5G networks towards 6G and beyond. This validation highlights Samsung's readiness to deploy advanced technologies with partners like Qualcomm, enabling mobile operators to deliver high-performance networks capable of handling everything from industrial data transmission to demanding consumer experiences. Yoon-Young Kim, Vice President and Head of Air Technology, Networks Business at Samsung Electronics, stated that this achievement proves the readiness to bring advanced technologies to market. Gautam Shioran, Senior Vice President and General Manager, Connectivity, Broadband and Networking at Qualcomm Technologies, Inc., noted that the collaboration exemplifies how ecosystem innovation is creating smarter, more capable networks that deliver stronger, more reliable connectivity to everyday users. Samsung Electronics Co., Limited, has announced the global launch of its 32-inch Samsung Spatial Signage, SMHX model, expanding its award-winning lineup with a compact format for commercial applications. This new display is specifically designed for narrow shelves and counters, offering brands a flexible method to present product-focused content in full 3D rotation without the need for glasses. Hyung-Yi Kim, Executive Vice President of the Visual Display, VD, Business at Samsung Electronics, stated that the 32-inch spatial signage makes immersive 3D accessible across a wider range of commercial environments, reinforcing Samsung's commitment to a connected commercial display ecosystem. The 32-inch model complements the earlier global rollout of the 85-inch spatial signage, which targets large retail installations. The smaller format brings the same glasses-free 3D experience to spaces where close-up visibility is crucial, including retail, public spaces, entertainment venues, education, and hospitality, helping to highlight products, promotional content, and exhibit information. The technology leverages Samsung's patented 3D plate technology, which utilizes binocular parallax to provide distinct images to each eye, creating cinematic depth and showing a product's complete 360-degree rotation with full clarity. The unit is lightweight at just 8.5 kg, features a slim 49-point form profile, and operates at FHD resolution, 1080 x 1920, in a 9:16 portrait format, featuring VESA compatibility for easy installation. Samsung continues to build on its success in this sector, having received accolades such as a CES 2026 Innovation Award in the Enterprise Tech category and a Silver Award at the Edison Awards. The company plans further expansion, including a forthcoming 55-inch model. In related developments, Samsung has also updated its cloud-based digital signage platform, Samsung VXD. The new updates enhance content management by adding scheduling capabilities to screen presets, allowing for remote management of settings like brightness and timers across multiple locations. Furthermore, VXD introduces smart download to optimize network traffic by enabling content sharing between connected screens. A new AI Studio app has also been released, enabling users to generate signage-ready videos from a single product image and text prompt, with options to upscale output to 4K UHD resolution and optimize content specifically for the Spatial Signage 3D viewing experience. Samsung maintains its position as the world's #1 commercial display provider for 17 consecutive years through continuous innovation in both hardware and platform capabilities. Samsung has achieved a significant medical breakthrough, validating its Galaxy Watch6 as a device capable of predicting fainting episodes or vasovagal syncope up to 5 minutes in advance. A clinical study conducted with Chungang University Gwangmyeong Hospital in Korea confirmed the watch's predictive capability with an accuracy rate of 84.6%. This marks the first time a commercial smartwatch has demonstrated clinically validated early warning for fainting, signaling a major shift toward preventive healthcare through wearable technology. The research, published in the European Heart Journal Digital Health, focuses on mitigating the serious secondary injuries associated with sudden falls, which can lead to fractures and concussions. Vasovagal syncope affects up to 40% of individuals at some point, with 1/3 experiencing recurrent episodes. Professor Junwin Cho, who led the study at Chungang University Gwangmyeong Hospital, emphasized the potential impact, stating that an early warning could allow patients time to take protective action, thereby drastically reducing secondary injuries. The technology behind the prediction relies on the Galaxy Watch6's photoplethysmography (PPG) sensor, which monitors heart rate variability. Samsung's proprietary AI algorithm analyzes these biosignals to identify pre-fainting patterns. The study yielded strong clinical metrics, demonstrating 90% sensitivity and 64% specificity. In practical terms, this means the watch successfully flags 9 out of 10 actual fainting episodes, accepting a false alarm rate of approximately 1/3, a trade-off deemed acceptable given the risk of severe injury from an unpredicted fall.